Hi there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields. In my last video I showed you how to place the marker when joining in the round. In this video I'm going to show you how to slip the marker. It's SM in the pattern abbreviations. And it's very simple, but I'm a visual learner, so I like to give visual aid. So I have 3 more stitches before I get to my stitch marker. So we're going to knit those 3 stitches. Done. And slip the marker, and then you can continue in your pattern. Now whenever I do that, it creates kind of a gap there. So let's unknit those few stitches, and I'll show you my trick to kind of taking that gap out whenever you're slipping the marker. So on this last stitch, you knit it or purl it, whatever your stitch is, and then I don't do it in 2 steps, I do it in 1. So I slip that stitch marker off with that stitch and then continue in pattern so that you don't have that gap. There's still a little gap because this is the beginning. It does close up, but it is much cleaner as you go through. So I hope you found that to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching.